Peekaboo. You're not straight. I'm not straight. Well, I am straight. Oh, fucking shut up. Just seen a wanker in his BMW. Right, dickhead. Oh, fucking tossers. It's warm, I really should turn off the AC. Yeah, this guy, he was with a whore. I'd shame. She was a stupid bitch anyway. Fucking stupid bitch. And his claim to fame was he was tattooed head to foot. I got all day. It's alright. Oh, thank God I slowed down. God. Christ. Hello, babe. Hello. Apart from shoe smoking. God, there she is. Oh, God. Oh, it's no good. First time POV with sunshine and windows open. Look. So some music. No, I don't want Anne Douglas. It's bloody cold. It's cold coming in here. It's bloody cold. It's fucking cold. No wonder I don't put any music on. I can't choose what to listen to. Then I get angry and irate. Oh, pretty. In my song can I read to Halloween ago? No thanks, John Cale. Tycho. Fucking hell. You wanker! Jesus Christ! Fucking dickhead! There we go, that was Tycho. Tycho. Don't want to wake up the neighbourhood. Thanks, so. Sleepy neighbourhood here in Barbie Land. Let's go, Barbie. Let's go, Barbie. It's only because the fucking all this is all Toy Town. Although the car parking bays are nice and wide, I have to say, we're getting this sorted. We do this, we put it in reverse, then we aim at the Beamer. That's Brad's Beamer. Rhymes. And then we come back, hopefully missing the front on that curb. Oh, got that all wrong. Now we're fucked. Excuse my French. And then we have to reline Brad's Beamer, which I get too close to. He wouldn't appreciate that. And I think we'll sort of go back a little bit there, and then we'll straighten out. And I ain't got a bloody clue. I ain't got a fucking clue. There we go. There we go. Are we back there? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, just here for a minute. No, let's try that again. Oh god, wrong way. There we go, because Brad's going nowhere. Are you, Brad? No. There, did you like that bit of POV? Off with Tycho. Off with the aircon, which was off anyway because we were driving with the windows open. Off with the engine. Off with you.